How to transfer data from iPhone to Android. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer data from your iPhone to Android. So let's begin. The most common sense that you can use while doing this data transfer is using a cloud. So just use your cloud. You can upload your data to that cloud and you can download the data from the Android device, or you can simply use transfer by smart switch. You can use that feature on Android and iPhone as well. So you can do that, but you will need an iCloud account. So I'll teach you some other way. So as I said, you can use your cloud and you can store your data someplace else and then download it on your Android device. The other way is by using this app called Copy My Data. You can just download this from App Store, download it on both parties, that is your iPhone and your Android. And after doing so, just after you set it up, just open it up, and after you open it up, you will have to link two of these devices. You can start the free trial, and you will use this once just to transfer the data. So just go through this process. You can simply select these weekly plans, and you can, after connecting that device, you will get to sync, to connect these two devices, you will have to use a specific code that you'll get in the app. And after doing so, you can simply select what you want to share and you can share it. It's literally that simple, guys. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for